Hi everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis, and during the month of December, to help you out with the festive season and to give you lots of meal inspiration and ideas, I'm going to be posting 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to show you how to make my simple slow cooker chicken curry. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious, simple, slow cooker curry. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and for those of you who watch my channel or read my blog or both, you will know how much I love my slow cooker. This to me is a godsend. It makes my life a lot easier and saves me a lot of time. And the recipe I'm making today is a chicken curry, and I thought this one would be good for the festive season. It's a brilliant dish all year round, but it's a great way to use up leftover chicken or turkey, depending on what you're having this Christmas. If you can get a turkey, that is. If you've got any leftovers, then this is a great way to use the leftovers. I'm actually using chicken today, and I'm really looking forward to this meal this evening. It is such a great dinner. So while I was making it, I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my simple slow cooker chicken curry. For this recipe, I have peeled, sliced and diced 1 red onion, and then I've also peeled, sliced and diced, roughly diced, 1 carrot, and then I have peeled, not peeled, sorry, I always do that with pepper. So I have a yellow pepper that I sliced the top off, I removed the core and the stalk, and then I just diced the pepper up basically. And then I also have 1 butternut squash, well about 200 grams of butternut squash that I've peeled, sliced and diced. And I try to do the dicing quite small, especially with the butternut squash, because the butternut squash, when it cooks in the slow cooker, tends to go quite soft and disintegrates into the sauce, and it's really yummy, I think personally. So yeah, I really love butternut squash in a curry. I think it's really delicious. And then I also have probably about 2 to 3 handfuls of sliced green beans. These are frozen, and I am putting them in at the beginning. In other recipes, I think I've said to add them at the end, but the other day I was testing it out and I decided to throw them in at the beginning, and it does actually make them really nice and soft if you add it in at the beginning. So, and then I have about 200 ml of coconut cream that I'm also going to add to this. And then I have 200 ml of chicken stock. You can use any type of stock you like for this recipe. You don't have to use chicken stock. It can be anything you want. So I'm going to add 200 ml of chicken stock in as well. And then I'm just going to mix these ingredients together. I may need to add a little bit more chicken stock to this, because it doesn't look... No, I think I'll be alright actually. This is sort of trial and error, so if you like it a lot more saucy, then just add a bit more chicken stock to it. But if you're fine with it like this, then just keep it at 200 ml. And then I'm going to add some mild chilli powder to my curry, like so. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or turmeric, or turmeric. I'm not sure how to say that word. I always get really lost with how to say that word. And then I've also got some mild curry powder as well. You can use medium or hot for this recipe. I'm using mild because I'm serving it to a child, so I don't want it too spicy. But he doesn't mind a little bit of heat, so that's good. And then I've also got some oregano, or oregano as the Americans like to call it, and I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of oregano, and then I'm going to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, so salt and pepper to your taste. If you like it quite peppery, then please add more pepper. So I'm just going to add a bit of salt as well. And then I'm going to mix these ingredients together. And I'm going to turn this on and leave it to cook. Now if you were using chicken, raw chicken for this recipe, as the original recipe suggested, then I would put it in at the beginning and let the slow cooker cook it. And hopefully it will cook down really nicely. But the turkey and the curry, I will obviously, like if it's cooked turkey or cooked chicken, I'm going to put that in later just before I serve it, just to heat it through. But that's basically the curry done. The curry has been cooking on a low heat in my slow cooker for about 8 hours. But if you wanted to cook it quicker, you could put it on high for 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chopped up chicken. As I mentioned earlier, you could also use turkey for this, or you could use pork if you wanted to as well. If you've got any leftover ham or anything, I'm sure that would taste nice in this as well. And I just want to heat the chicken through while I cook the rice. So I'm just going to put that on to keep warm now. And I'm going to put my lid back on. The chicken in the slow cooker has warmed through now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to serve myself some to see how it tastes. It smells absolutely amazing. You can really smell the spices in this. Definitely the mild curry powder you can definitely smell. And the chicken is starting to break up a little bit as well, so that will happen, but that makes it even more tender and just so delicious. So I'm going to have a bit of the chicken and some rice. I'm just going to see how this tastes. It's still very warm. That's really yummy. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I'm looking forward to that for my dinner now. That's how you make my simple slow cooker chicken curry, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to eat this for my dinner now, and it smells so good. As I always say, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.